Vaishnavi. I am from first MJC. Now I am going to discussing about formation of peral. Peral formation is a iridescence that is due to displace overlapping of surface layers of nacre, and they are break up when the light is falling on them. Peral is primarily calcium carbonate. The saltwater pearls are grown from the Pinctada species, and freshwater pearls are grown from the Anandota and Margaritifera species. Peral is a defense mechanism against the irritant which causes the injuries to the mantle tissue. The animal creates a peral sac. It is an immune response. The mantle deposits surface layers of calcium carbonate which held together by the organic compound canchiolin. Generally, these two materials are referred to the mother of the pearl and mother of the pearl. The pearl consisting of a central columnar and which are surrounded by the nacre. And in the formation of pearls or pearliculture, in the saltwater pearls, a small piece of mantle is entered surgically implanted into the gonads, and in freshwater permaculture, a small piece of tissue enters into the fleshy mantle. The formation of a pearl is a tissue and a shell response inflant forming of a surface layers of calcium carbonate layers precipitated, and in this the formation of pearl is a defense mechanism against the some organic and inorganic particles such as small sand particles, small larvae, and some other parasites in the origin of organic and inorganic. When a foreign object is enters into the bivalent in between shell and mantle, when the mantle tissue it gets irritant, and it closely at once and like a sac, and the foreign object is somehow enters into the body of a bivalent, and let's the mantle is starts the secretion of successive layers of nacre around the this foreign object, and this foreign object, and the second several layers are forming